How to find theme 1 settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find theme 1 settings on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that click this settings icon and then click messaging. Now scroll all the way down, and as you see here is it, theme 1, and you can manage theme 2, and that's it. And now just manage it and then just go back, it will be saved. And I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.